Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Today in this video, we will talk about TISSNET 2024 Simplified Preparation Tips for beginners or for freshers who will be attempting TISSNET exam for the very first time, and we'll also discuss about few tips which will help you kickstart your early preparation. But before we begin, we have an important announcement to put forward. Guys, all the TISSNET entrance related videos will be available only on Manoeuvre TIS entrance channel, be it latest exam updates, notifications, preparation strategies, live workshops, paper analysis, and a lot more. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button to get notified regarding all the latest videos available on Manoeuvre TIS entrance channel. Also, you all can see a glimpse of these updates on our social media. All you have to do is follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and join our Telegram channel as well. Also, guys, we have launched the batches for TISSNET 2024 and 25 preparation. For live class, you all can call on 8828581455. For classroom coaching, guys, we are Mumbai based. You all can visit our centers at Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, and Thane. You all can call on these numbers and our counselors will get back to you with all the relevant details. Also, a Pune center is coming soon, so stay tuned for this as well. Also, guys, you all get access to video lectures, mock test books, mentorship strategy, and a lot more to ace your entrance exam in the very first attempt. Now, to start with, you can begin with working on your vocabulary. The best way to broaden your vocabulary base and improve comprehension skill is to develop a regular habit of reading. In the next stage, you must practice 2 RC passages every day. Your reading resources should include newspapers, Word Power Made Easy book, which is a great book to improvise your vocabulary. You can read magazines. Also, you all can refer to Manoeuvre study materials, which are specially curated by experts who have 5+ years of TISSNET exam writing experience. This way, you all can also stay updated on current affairs, which is a crucial part of GK section, which is general awareness section, and also has a sectional cutoff, meaning candidate must hit the overall cutoff as well as the sectional cutoff, the GK sectional cutoff, in order to pass the TISSNET examination. Apart from RC portion, the English section include questions from verbal reasoning and grammar based topics as well. While there are few standard rules that you all need to learn for grammar, achieving mastery in reasoning questions can be built up with practice only. So make sure you all practice a number of questions. Moving ahead, for maths and quant section, you all should focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of number system, geometry and mensuration, arithmetic, probability, permutation and combination, and other important topics as well. Make sure you all practice good number of questions from these sections, because questions from number system, geometry, mensuration, arithmetic, probability, and few more areas questions were asked from the previous year paper. So make sure you all practice a good number of questions from these topics as well. Alongside, start attempting topic wise tests to boost your speed and accuracy in this section. So once you are done with quant section preparation, you all can start attempting Manoeuvre TISSNET topic wise test in order to understand your performance and what you have prepared so far and where you all need to work more. Moving ahead, data interpretation and logical reasoning. Make sure you practice regularly, because the more you practice, the better you will get at interpreting data and solving logical reasoning problems. Practice with different types of questions and with increasing level of difficulty. Also, understand the concept because it is important to have a clear understanding of the basic concepts and principles of data interpretation and logical reasoning. Make sure to review the basics and understand the different types of questions that can be asked. Also, focus on accuracy. Accuracy is key in the data interpretation and logical reasoning. Make sure to read the questions carefully and understand what is being asked before attempting to answer. Use the information given to make logical deductions and come up with the correct answer. Also, you all can use the elimination method in the logical reasoning questions, which is really helpful. Make sure to learn from your mistakes because when you make a mistake, you easily get demotivated. So don't get discouraged. Instead, try to understand where you went wrong and learn from your mistakes. This will help you improve your skills and avoid making the same mistakes in your further preparation. Last, improvise on your speed because in exam time is limited and it is important to be able to work quickly and accurately. So practice working with a timer to improve your speed and accuracy while you're solving the questions. Also, the level of difficulty of questions in this section is usually moderate to difficult. Also, guys, we have made in-depth videos which will definitely help you in your testnet preparation and will act as a great informative resource in terms of preparation, planning, expected paper section wise, past paper analysis, toppers podcast, so that you all can understand their preparation journey as well. So make sure to watch these videos and get all the required information, links for which are given in the description. So make sure you watch all these videos. And also, guys, we have launched the batches for TISSNET entrance examination for 2024 and 25. You all can join our batches for classroom coaching, guys. We are Mumbai based. You all can visit our centers at Mumbai, at Dadar, Borivali, Vasai, and Thane. And if you are not Mumbai based, you all can join us for online or live class, for which you all can call on 8828581455. All the details are given in the description. Do check that out. Also, links for study materials, video lectures are mentioned in the description. Do check that out as well, and do share this video with all your friends. Until then, see you in the next video.